damage is extensive. Rust has compromised the main structural points.
The chassis is shot, and the horns are oxidized beyond repair.
The facial armor is heavily corroded. Focus on the eye.
The chassis needs significant reinforcement.
Note the peeling paint and cracked metal along the seams. The primary tooth mounts are failing.
And the jaw hinge shows severe stress cracks.
The left eye housing is heavily corroded, and the lens shards are barely hanging on. The electrical connections look completely shot. The left eye housing is heavily corroded, and the lens shards are barely hanging on. The electrical connections look completely shot.
The rust is heavier here.
Note the corrosion on the hinges. Check the integrity of the rear panels.
The hub's seized tight.
Damage to the suspension looks significant.
Can we even get a fresh seal on this axle?
The oxidation on the chassis is significant.
Structural integrity is compromised near the rear axles.
Log that damage point. We need a full corrosion analysis here.
On it, leader!
Secure the chains on the marked anchors carefully.
Affirmative, chains are set.
Engage the hydraulics slowly. Keep the tow arms taut.
Hydraulics engaging now.
All right, hook up the hydraulics. Chains are taut. Begin lift. Transport's in position. Slow and steady.
Keep the pressure steady, we're making headway. Noted. It's coming clean nicely.
Ready for the next pass over the details. Keep it slow and steady, that's it. Looking good, let's hit that axle next. Keep it steady. Remove the corrosion here first.
Copy that. Moving to the embossed area.
Ensure a smooth finish. The client will be inspecting this closely.
We'll need to patch these perforations.
The brackets need replacement.
And that section of the torso is too damaged to save.
Prep the cutters. Focus on the panels marked with chalk.
Copy that. Grab the heavy-duty wrenches.
Keep it steady. Watch the seal.
Got it, it's coming loose.
Panels clear. Moving it now.
Ensure all connections are secure.
Check the hydraulic pressure.
Lifting in progress.
All right, hooks secured on both sides. Engaging lift now. Steady. Watch the back. Clear of the chassis. Note the stress fractures on the main cylinder.
Yeah.
The corrosion runs deep here.
All right, focus on stabilizing these connectors first. All right, check the fuel line pressure before removal.
Copy that. Fuel line pressure at 0.
Good, take it out. Watch for sparks on the electricals, team. Verify all connection points. Check secure, leader. Begin the lift. Slow and steady. Affirmative, lifting now. The thermal signature on this connection is too high.
Noted, we'll replace it.
And that belt needs replacing. All right, hooks engaged. Take the tension.
Slow and steady. Clear the mounts.
Watch the rust on the floor.
All right, start on the chest plate bolts.
Roger that.
Watch the oil on this filter, it's corrosive.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables.
Just a little more.
Slow down, slow down. Got it. Secure.
Looks like new. Good as new. Ready for assembly.
This block needs extensive fabrication. The rest of the gears can be salvaged.
Understood.
We have the replacement pistons ready.
Line up the bearing. Tightening the feed pipe now.
Check the tension settings on the display. Tighten this manifold down.
Hand me that wrench.
Connections secure. Good, let's move it out. The pressure looks good. Connections are solid. Ready for installation. The cross members show significant fatigue. Yes, and the suspension mounts have severe corrosion. We need to reinforce the structural sections near the axle.
Keep the angle shallow. Copy that, watching the heat bloom. All right, pull it. Got it. Good work, move to the supports.
The alignment is good. Clamp that side.
Okay, leader.
Secure the clamps.
Locked in.
The chassis is almost ready.
Make sure those plates are sealed properly.
We're applying the finishing passes now.
Good. Let me know when it's cooled.
Keep tightening those fasteners, guys.
Got it, boss.
Looking solid now.
Keep it slow and steady. Watch that flange on the lift. Got it. Almost free. Slow hydraulic, please. Clear. Now move it over to the bench. The hub looks clean. Bearings are good. Let's torque these down to spec. Line up that mount with the axle connection. Make sure it's tight.
Almost there.
Secure it with the hydraulic tool.
Okay, team, final checks on the rear suspension.
Right.
Looks solid, boss. Ready for the next stage.
Keep it steady. We need a precise cut here.
Right, boss.
Good, now grind it smooth. Done. Bolt that support in, tight. I think this new panel fits perfectly.
Yeah, the curve matches the original design now.
Let's secure it.
All right, give me the hammer.
Keep it steady, looks good. Hold that panel tight. Almost there. Okay, releasing. Excellent work, perfectly aligned.
The alignment is perfect.
Excellent work.
Ready for installation.
Ensure the thermal regulators are aligned. Confirmed. Installing lens now.
The corrosion here is extensive. We need to brace this entire section. Copy that. We'll prep the supports. Let me mark the deepest points of the damage.
Careful with the edges. Got it. Step back, please.
The measurements are perfect. Let's install it. Copy that, boss. Keep the heat steady.
Looks strong. Strong.
Grind it down, make sure it's perfect. Ensure this brace is perfectly flush before sealing.
Got it. Looks solid now.
Check the tension on this bolt, too.
The reinforced structure is solid. Tires look brand new, boss.
Ready for the next run.
Keep it even, don't miss the details. Looking good, let's cover this muscle here.
Perfect coverage there. Yeah. Just needed that second coat to really pop.
The finish is looking excellent here.
Let's do one more pass on this section.
Almost perfect.
Keep it steady, left a bit. Yeah. Just a friction, watching the alignment. Perfect. Take it down slowly. Keep it steady. Down just a little more. Looking good. Stop. Perfect. Secure it.
Check the torque on that number 3 bolt.
It's secure, boss.
Now run the power lines.
On it. Make sure that bundle passes through the firewall bracket. We need it secure.
Yes, boss.
Almost done here. Good, let's test the systems. Slow it down.
Yeah.
All right, hold it. Careful now.
Carol.
Okay, it's in, secure.
All right, align the cab just a fraction to the left.
Copy, slowly dropping now.
Good, attach the steering linkage first.
Hydraulics are green.
Verified, bring the power online. Systems initializing now. Good, power is stable.
Engage hydraulics. Test suspension drop. Rotate wheels slowly.
Affirmative.
Steer left, then center. Lift complete. Vehicle stable.
All systems check. I systems are go. 20 wheels checked and clear. Cargo structure verified. Stand by for engine activation.
Systems initializing. Final ignition in 3.
Status check green.
And engaging.
Status check. Pressure's holding steady. All systems green. We have ignition. Power transfer successful. It's alive. We did it.
Pressure check confirmed.
Output steady.
Systems nominal. Bring her up to 90%.
The engine sounds healthy, and the bull's eyes are glowing bright. The restoration is complete.
All right, let's see how she runs. Power up the main relays. Status green, red eyes engaged. Beautiful, fully restored.
All right, bring it out slow. Clear the perimeter. Looking good.
The calibration is perfect. Look at it go. The restoration is complete.